Welcome to this quick guide where you'll learn how to create a virtual machine in Microsoft Azure. Whether you're new to cloud computing or just need a refresher, this tutorial will walk you through the process in a straightforward manner. Setting up a virtual machine is an essential skill for leveraging the power of Azure's cloud services, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Azure portal. Once you're there, look towards the top global search bar. It's the one that spans across the top of the page. Here, you'll type in virtual machines and hit enter. This will pull up a list of services. From that list, select Virtual Machines. This service is where you'll manage and create your virtual machines. Now that you're on the Virtual Machines page, you'll notice a button labeled Plus Create on the top left of the action bar. Go ahead and click that button. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll choose Azure Virtual Machine. This selection is key because it sets the stage for configuring your machine based on Microsoft Azure's offerings. Next, you'll find yourself on the configuration screen. Here, you'll start with the Basics tab. This is where you'll set up the core elements of your virtual machine. It's important to pay attention to these settings as they determine the fundamental characteristics of your machine, such as the subscription and resource group. You'll also need to decide on the region where your machine will be hosted. This can affect latency and performance, so choose a location that is geographically close to where you expect most of your users or operations to be. When configuring the Basics tab, you'll also need to select an image for your virtual machine. This could be a Windows or Linux operating system, depending on your needs. Additionally, set an appropriate size for your machine, balancing cost and performance based on your anticipated workload. You'll also need to establish a username and password or SSH key for accessing your virtual machine securely. Remember, these credentials are crucial for maintaining the security and accessibility of your virtual machine. Once you've filled in all the necessary information in the Basics tab, it's a good idea to review your selections. Double-check that everything is correct, especially your subscription, region, and credentials. Mistakes at this step can lead to issues down the line, so take a moment to ensure everything is as it should be. After reviewing your configuration, you'll want to save your settings. This is a simple but crucial step, as it locks in your configurations and prepares your virtual machine for deployment. Once saved, Azure will begin the process of setting up your virtual machine based on the settings you've provided. And there you have it. With these steps, you've created a virtual machine in Microsoft Azure. This setup is now ready to handle your applications or workloads, allowing you to take full advantage of Azure's scalable and flexible computing resources. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore the documentation provided by Microsoft or reach out to their support team. Happy cloud computing!